Hello YouTube, Tech Reviews back with another video, and today's video is about how to add a green screen video on your background videos. So in order to add the green screen video on your videos, as you can see here, I have a video, so I'm going to add the green screen video. Here is the green screen video as you are seeing here. So let me drop it here on the top. So here the green screen is added, but it's already covered the background video, this one. So in order to remove the green screen in here, select the video on your time frame, select here effects here. So after that you will find effect search box on the right top corner here, the effects in the search box. So click here and type Ultra key. Here you type Ultra key and you find Ultra key. So after you find the Ultra key, make sure you selected the green screen video on your time frame and bring this Ultra key, drag and drop to that specific video. So as you can see here, the color is changed into green, that specific video, the green screen video. So after that you will find here the effects control, so if you cannot find effects control, you can also click editing. So here is the effect control under the editing. So after that, then scroll down and you will find Ultra key, here the Ultra key. So scroll it and find the key color section here. So under the key color section you will find a pane over here, this pane. Select the pane and click on your screen. So as you can see here, the green screen is removed, so the background video is now transparent. And if this step could not help you, then click here the arrow, this arrow, and play with these numbers. Maybe these numbers also help you if the pane cannot remove the green screen. So this is all about on how you can remove the green screen on your videos. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.